Hello everyone, welcome to Zone 9 gardening channel, Northern California. So today we are going to see curry plant, how to grow a curry plant from a curry leaf twig. So what I did was I harvested some curry leaves from the curry plant. So this is almost, I would say probably about 4 inches long. So I took the curry plant and I harvested all the leaves, and what I did was I removed the bottom portion, as you see here, right? So this is where the root really grows, and it's a twig. Actually, I made two twig of it, and potentially this could be a grow like a big plant, and we're going to see how to get roots for these twigs. So I did various methods and I was not unsuccessful, and this one particular method I've seen that I was having 50% success rate. I will show you how I did it, how the plant is growing. But today I'm going to try this one, and I'm going to try to grow two new curry plants. Let's see how it goes. So this is a smaller one. See here, this is a smaller one. And when you cut it right, you have to make sure that you're leaving some space. So this is more like 3 inches or something, slightly more than 3 inches. And you have to leave you have to cut it in the middle here, right, so that you can get a nice new leaf growth coming up here. All right. So here is what I did. I took a paper napkin. So this is the toilet tissues. I took it, and then as you see here, I wrapped it nicely on the bottom right here, right. So now I'm going to soak it into water. Same thing I did it on this one also. I'm going to soak it into water. So what I did was I took these two twigs, and then I soaked into water and then squeezed in all the water out of it. So it has got a tight grip now, and it's fully full of water content inside. So now what I'm going to do is I took two pots, small pots, and always use coconut coir. So coconut coir has got a higher success rate in terms of getting a twig and getting them the roots, right. So mix the coconut coir with compost, like around 15 to 20% of the compost, and don't use the soil. The success rate on the soil is very low. So use the coconut coir and mix it 20%, and you have to put water into it because it takes some time for the water to be absorbed into the coconut coir. But once the coconut coir absorbs water, it kind of stays there in it, right. So just make a nice hole in this, and then just put your twig inside that. I'm going to make a bit of a nice hole, and I'm just going to go deep into it and just put this. That's it, as simple as that, right. I'm going to do the same thing here. Make a nice hole, make a bit of a bigger hole. Alright, so right, I put some water into it, and it's going to take some time for the water to settle down. All I'm going to do is, once it's all set, I'm going to place it in a nice shady location, and I'm going to check it out for make sure that it doesn't dry out. It's very important to keep it moist in the first few days, and I'm going to absorb it and see what happens. Alright, I kept them in a nice shady location, and I'm going to watch it for the next 3 days and keep you posted. They're fully drenched like I showed in the video. See here, I did the exact same process for this plant, what I'm showing here. So the success rate is 50%. So this plant actually it's kind of dying, and the other one, see the new nice leaf growth, right. It's been almost say it took about 30 days. I kept it on the shade, and then I moved it to full sun now. It's getting all the sun, and I'll keep you posted on how the other one goes in the next few days.